Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0 for my dear audience. In this video, I will describe some different and much most beautiful ideas of metal or recycling ideas or recycle metal ideas. Dear audience, in our USA and in different countries, metal or recycling industries work a waste position or waste means a long term usage of metal industries uses metal or recycle metal. So, dear audience, the more frequently recycled metals are scrap steel, iron means ISS leads. So, as aluminium also used in metal frequencies. So, as a copper also used. So, as a stainless steel, it's also a metal industries use stainless steel, and so as a zinc also a metal industry use waste means I think increasingly day by day it is a increasingly metal or recycling industry work on zinc. So there are two main category of metal in basically use, so as a ferrous and non-ferrous. So metal that contains iron in them are known as ferrous metal without iron and non-ferrous. So it, but in my video I also prescribe it is a recycle metal ideas. We use old metals by making different and beautiful things for decorating purpose, for our gardens, for our lawns, for our how in front of our house door lawn, small lawn, or in gardens. Gardening, we can use it in metal recycle different ways. So, different question arise in our mind when we talk about recycled metal ideas. Then, like as what is metal or recycling? It's also first of all question arise in our audience mind or our guy's mind or their affectionate love and their affectionate loving. It's also question. Then we answer it. What is recycling material? Metal recycling. Then metal recycling is simply the process of taking waste metal, processing it by different ways and different manners and different methodology. We processing it by different other like as a skisser or cutter or so and creating new metal material for, for reuse, for usable content, we say that. So this recycled metal can be used to make a metal product which can then be recycled once used or not needed. So there are many advantages to recycle metal, including environmental benefit as well as energy saving, like as an economical condition, as a social condition, a social point of view. We use it in different ways. Uh, so it's one question is what is the recycle use of metal? So much of the scrap metal that is recycled in the United States goes into the manufacturing of completely new items such as appliance for building materials, so as a manufacturing or construction project, so as a food packaging, furniture, art in form of scrap metal. So, which metal products can be recycled? So, how is recycled metal made? When a question arises in our mind, which metal product can be recycled? Then the most frequent recycled metals are aluminium, brass, also, a frequently recycled metal is a bronze, cast iron is also a frequently recycled metal, and as a copper, steel, also a frequently recycle metal. We use it by making different beautiful sites. Purpose are um, for decorating our garden, decorating our house, home door lawn. So, as a metal recycling of both ferrous and non-ferrous metals has many benefits. It can be used by different purpose. So, it is a beneficial for the environmental purpose, like as a collection of raw materials, of collection of old metal materials we reuse and reprocess it by making a different and uh, beneficial purpose by making things. So when recycling, it means less extraction of raw materials or old material is required, which helps to reduce carbon emissions. It's also a beautiful metal processing. So the shredding, when we talk about how is recycled metal made, means the method that the shredding process creates small pieces of scrap metal, or little pieces, a teeny pieces of scrap metal, which are then transported into high temperature furnace to be melted. Then, depending on the metal melting point, this can take a few minutes. If it is a high temperature, if it is a low, then few hours. We can say that a few hours we can take. Then a few hours, the high heat eventually transforms metal scrap into molten metal, which can easily form new products. So as one my guys question, that is recycled metal good? Then yeah, one more guys is a question. What are the advantages of recycled metal? Then metal can be recycled repeatedly without degrading. So the cost of recycling metal is far cheaper than mining and refining. So the reserves of the earth's metal ores will last longer if we reuse metal. So how's the recycle metal sustainable? One more guys raise a question. Then dear audience, for your affectionate love, my answer. Steel recycling is important to the circular economy as it conserves valuable, we can use it resources and diverts useful materials from going to landfill. So million of tons steel are diverted from waste stream to recycle stream, is every year due to steel's magnetic properties that make it easy to separate from solid waste. So, why is it important to recycle? It's also my guys affectionate my answer for my that guys. What is important to recycle? Why is it important to recycle? Then environment recycling provides many benefits to our environment. By recycling our materials, we create a healthier planet for ourselves and future generations. So, as a conserve natural resources, recycling reduce the need to extract a resource such as timber, water, and minerals for a new product also used. So, metal waste or scrap metal is any product that's broken or no longer usable, which is made completely or mostly from a metal materials. For example, it could be broken tools, metal sheet from manufacturing bent pipe, old electrical appliances, and more. So, swarf, also known as a chip or by other process specific names such as turning, filing, and shaving a piece of metal words or plastic that are the diverse waste resulting from matching woodworking or similar subtractive material removing manufacturing process also used. Can I recycle all metals? Also, my guy's question. So, affectionate for your affectionate question, my affectionate answer is among the metal that cannot be recycled radioactive metal like uranium and plutonium, and the toxic ones like mercury and lead. So, even though you are unlikely to encounter material from the first category, mercury and lead are more common and are often used in everyday items. So, can metal be 100% recycled? Also, question which is arise in our guy's mind. Then, scrap metal recycling work by melting the same type of metal material together before removing any impurities and creating a new metal products. Almost all metals such as steel, copper, and aluminium can be used again and again. So without any deterioration to its quality or durability. It's also 100% recycled material. So, some more three commonly used recycled metal, aluminium, steel, and copper are the most commonly recycled metal, and the recycling process usually uses significantly less energy than extraction from their ores. So, dear audience, that I think that my video and my idea inspired you much, and if inspired, then subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video. So thank you very much, you guys. Once again, thank you very much.